In this lecture, we will discuss about Wifislax. So Wifislax is basically an operating system used especially for network hacking or pen testing. It comes with all the tools pre-installed in it, where most of them are advanced tools. Now these tools can also be used in Kali Linux also. I will show you in the next lectures. First of all, we will boot it into a pendrive. It's same as we did with Kali Linux. Or if you want, you can run it as a virtual machine. I will provide its link in the resources. Download this version only, because in the newer version some tools are removed. After it is booted, select the fourth option, which is change language. Then you can select British or US American to get all the things in English language. Now, you can see this. It's same as Kali Linux. This is the best operating system for network hacking. If you go to the start button, you will see all applications present in it. But here the most important one is Wifislax. In this, there are many options, which are filled with a lot of tools. Now the most important section here is WPA. Here are all the tools, where you will find evil twin attack tools, which we will discuss in the next lecture. Now the reason to show you this Linux distro is to show you that a complete operating system is present for Wi-Fi hacking, with all the tools pre-installed in it. In the further lectures we will discuss how to use these tools in Kali Linux. In the new version of Wifislax, all of these tools are removed. I mean that these tools are banned. But don't worry, you will find them on GitHub and can also download from there. But we will also see the same for Kali Linux. In the next lectures, we will discuss about the destructive tools present in this. In this lecture, we will discuss about a destructive tools called as Fluxion. This is a most popular tool. When you open this tool, at the first it will ask you to select a wireless interface. In the above sections we used our inbuilt wireless adapter, which also works better. But here you should use a strong external wireless adapter which supports monitor mode. Then, select your language. Then it will ask you to select channel. You don't need to specify a channel, just select all channels. Because we don't know our target. You can see, a new window will pop up. Where iro-dump-ng will be running, I will stop this. You can see all the networks around me. It is showing me their MAC address, channel, security, power, its name. Now I will select my target. Then, it will show you to select an attack option. Here you can see a term fake IP. Now this means it will create a clone of our target network. But to do so you requires a good wireless adapter. The reason is, when we create a fake IP, our wireless adapter enables the hotspot. But to listen to the clients and to authenticate clients from the original network, you need to enable wireless mode or Wi-Fi mode. Here the problem is, our built-in adapter cannot perform both of them at the same time. If you don't understand you will see it now. But for here I will select host a PD. Now it is asking for handshake location. We will simply hit enter because we don't have any handshake. Then it will ask you to select the method of capturing handshake. I will select aircrack NG. Then we will authenticate all the clients to get WP a handshake. Mostly this thing will not be shown, but if you see this just select option 1. Then you will see this window, select web interface here. Here we have to select which type or for which router we are creating a web interface, or you can say login page. Mine is Netgear, your might be different. If don't find it here you can just select English. You can see that a window appears and then it disappears. That window was a fake IP where our wireless adapter created a hotspot. It disappears because other windows will start now, where wireless mode is required. You can see 4 windows appeared. The first one is Wi-Fi information, which will show the clients connected to our Wi-Fi, while the other will run the authentication attack to disconnect clients from the original router. The third is DHCP, and the fourth is fake DNS, which gives us information about the site's clients' visits, and the other will create a fake login page. Now this is not working because our fake IP is not working. To get rid of this you should use a good wireless adapter. Then if any client connected to the fake IP, thinking it is real, then it will get fake login page, where the target gets a login page asking for password to access internet. Once the victim gives the password it will stop all the attacks and shows us password. In this lecture, we will discuss about other evil twin attack tools. The second tool is Linset. You will find this tool in the same section of Fluxion. Now if I open it, you can see that it is asking me to select a wireless interface, but in Spanish language. If you want this tool in English, just go to the site. Download or clone this tool. You can see the tool. Go to that folder. And you can see 2 files, airmon and linset mvl12.sh. Just change their permission by this command. Then execute the command. Where you can see that this tool is modified and translated by Chun Kings. And this tool is in English language. If I talk about this tool, nothing is different between this tool and Fluxion. Actually, Fluxion is the remake of Linset. And all the functions are same. The third tool is Wi-Fi Mosize. This is also same as above. It's in Spanish, but as we know how to use it, we use this tool also. It will also work same as the other two tools.